with Mom's video. So Cook with Mom's video, we're gonna do 3 different types of drinks. Today, these days are summer, and the best drinks for summer, that drinks we're gonna make today. So let's start. So, mango mojito is one of the best drink, and it contains of every ingredients are good for health. Okay, let's start. For starting, we need some sabja seeds and a glass of water. Now let's pour the water into the sabja seeds. Now just mix it. Now keep it aside for 10 minutes. In this time, let's make mango mojito in the blender. Okay friends, now let's start. For this, I took a 1 lemon squeezed. Now let's pour this squeezed lemon inside the jar. Now let's pour 2 tablespoons of mango pulses. Now let's pour a soda. I took a small bottle. Now let's add some salt. Now add some chilled water. Add some ice cubes. Now add some honey or sugar syrup. Let's blend it. Now let's serve it. For serving it, we need a big tall glass. Now just pour the mix into the glass. Now let's add the sabja seed, which was soaked in 10 minutes. Let's add this into the glass. Now let's add some sliced lemons. Some ice cubes. Now let's add 1 more tablespoon of honey into this mix. Now just mix it. Then let's decorate. For decorating, we need a lemon. Just cut the side and place it like this. Then we need mint leaf. Okay, so Our decorating is over. Mango mojito is ready. Now we are going to make spicy mango sarbath. Let's start. Now take a blender, put some chopped mango and some mint leaf. Then let it blend. Now add little cold water and blend one more time. The mix of mango, keep it aside and take a glass. Now put some chopped lemons and some honey. Take some sabja seeds and soak it for water in 10 minutes. Take a glass and put one sliced lemon and smash it. Now pour some honey. If you want more sweet, you can also add sugar syrup. Now pour some water. Now let's add some chili pieces and ginger pieces. Now let's mash one more. Now let's add some soft sabja seeds. Now let's add the mango mix. Now take a spoon and mix it. For decorating, we need some mango pieces and ice cubes. Now we are going to make coriander lemon juice. So it is our third summer recipes. So let's start. We have to put a handful of coriander leaf and put some one lemon cut it into small pieces. Add 100 gram of sugar. Now let's add 2 cups of water and let's blend it. You can just strain it and let go the thick parts. Now let's pour our juice or drink inside the glass. Okay, now let's decorate it. Take a small piece of coriander leaf and a lemon, cut it into slices and decorate it. So our 3 summer drinks are ready. Coriander lemon juice, spicy mango sarbath and mango mojito. Friends, it is very healthy drink and don't forget to send your feedback and also subscribe, comment, like and share. Bye. See you next video.